Meet the SLJ40 Pelletizer, a revolutionary compact dry ice production unit, designed to make dry ice on site, anytime you need it. Say goodbye to the hassle of transporting dry ice from suppliers. By producing dry ice directly where it's needed, the SLJ40 reduces contamination risks, cuts down on sublimation loss, and ensures a fresh, constant supply, right at your facility. With a sleek footprint of just 90 by 32 by 50 centimeters and weighing only 65 kilos, this powerful system fits almost anywhere, whether you're feeding a dry ice blaster or preparing pellets for storage and shipment. The SLJ40 features 8 precision-engineered pistons and a closed lubrication system, ensuring smooth operation and minimal maintenance.